Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Within the QuickBooks lists, you can only delete list items if you have not used them in any transactions. If you try to delete a list item that's been used in a transaction, QuickBooks will warn you that the item cannot be deleted. If you don't want to use a list item but you can't delete it, you can make it inactive instead to hide its display by default within the list. To inactivate an item in any QuickBooks list, you can simply right-click on the list item that you want to make inactive within the desired list. From the pop-up menu that appears, you can then select the Make List Item Inactive command to inactivate the selected list item and hide its display. Now, to see the inactive list items within a list, such as the chart of accounts, for example, you can check the Include Inactive checkbox that appears at the bottom of the list window. You will then see all of the accounts, and any inactivated ones will appear with a little X to the left of their name. To reactivate an inactive account, simply click the X that appears, and once you remove the check from the Include Inactive checkbox, you'll see all of the accounts that have been activated within the list. Now, this method works for any of the lists that you can access by choosing Lists from the menu bar. Within the lists that appear within the centers, such as the Customers and Jobs list, Vendors list, and Employees list, you can instead view all items regardless of their activation status by using the View drop-down that appears within the tab, usually at the top, to select All and then the name of the item. So, all vendors within the vendor list, or all customers within the customer list. At that point, then, you'll see a new column appear at the left side of the list, showing the inactive items, which once again appear with an X next to their names. You can click on any of these X symbols to reactivate that particular list item again.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.